favorite stuffed animal that we call Baby is filthy. Just absolutely filthy. So we are giving her a scrub it here. You see, I scrubbed this side. This is how filthy she was.
No!
Addie wants to help, but she is.
No.
You're helping, baby. Can you do like this?
Baby down.
Well, honey, you gotta hold her up to scrub her.
No.
Get up on her armpits.
I tried.
Alright, she wants to do it so bad. Alright, baby, scrub her. Let me check the brother real quick. Hold on. She's going to the ambulance.
Oh,
I'm gonna squeeze her a little bit. Look how filthy. She's filthy. Scrub her face. Scrub her face real good. She's giving her baby a bath. What a good girl. Good mommy.
a baby back.
Give baby a bath. Yeah. Good job. Mommy's all rough with it.
Oh no.
Oh, careful.
Baby pee.
Baby pee.
Yeah.
She's got lots of water. Ready?
Kitty.
Yeah, we're gonna clean her, baby. We're gonna try.
Baby.
You gotta let me.
Baby.
Let me clean her.
Baby, okay?
Well, she's gonna have to soak. I'm probably gonna have to do this again.
Baby,
And
Baba?
then we're gonna wash her tonight. Yeah.
A Baba?
We're gonna wash her in the.
Oh no.
Yeah, wash her ears.
I want it.
Gonna wash her ears.
Ah,
Gonna get her neck real good.
ah.
Look at that. She is nasty. Yucky, yucky.
Baby. Baby back.
Try and scrub her, okay? I'll be right back. I'll check on your brother.
What's the hair?
You're so gentle. Such a good mommy. Isn't she a good mommy?
What's it? Hair?
Wash her hair. Good job.
A
Good
baby
job.
back?
Yeah, we're giving baby a bath.
Down? No. No.
Honey, I'm trying to get her, okay? Baby,
Please.
what do you mean?
A baby natty.
Yes, we're gonna have to soak her, baby, but I'm trying to give her a good scrubbing. And then we'll soak her and I'll scrub her some more. Before she goes in the bath tonight, she'll get a washing in the washer, okay? But first, I wanted to make sure I really got her clean because she is, I mean, you love this thing. This is your baby, right? Yeah, we gotta get her nice and clean. So we gotta be a little rough on her. She's gonna be so pretty, like brand new. Hmm.
A baby bath?
Yeah, we're gonna let her soak.
No, a dog.
Her face, I can't.
I drop.
Let me drop.
Oh, what's baby?
Yeah, we're gonna soak her now, okay? Let her soak now, okay? Keep her in the water. Let her soak.